Hi everyone, my name is Archanan Singh. Welcome to my channel. And today we'll be learning regarding the basics of Excel charts. And we'll be learning how to insert a chart, how to adjust the chart, how to improve a layout of a chart, how to add, delete a series in a chart, and how to use multiple chart combinations in one chart. So let's get started. So we have a data set here and I want to insert a chart, but I don't know what kind of charts I can insert. So I'll select this data and I'll go to recommended charts. It'll give me some options which I can use to insert a chart. So I'll just need to double click on this and it'll insert a chart for me. So these are suggestions by Excel built in Excel itself on charts. So that's one method to insert a chart. So we have a data range here with the name of employees and the sales done by them in a particular month. I wanted to plot this as a chart and see how it looks. So I'll select the data. I'll go to insert and there are multiple type of charts which you can create. I want to insert a bar chart, so I'll go here and I'll insert a 2D bar chart. So this is a chart which comes up by default. Toolbars which get activated, chart design and format. So you can select multiple chart designs here and you can click on any of the chart design. These are pre-filled templates of the charts, so you can select one. However, I will not be using it, we'll be doing it all manually. What is a shortcut to insert a chart? So once I select the data, I will press Alt F1 and this is the default chart which appears. So you can also change the default chart. Just need to go to insert, click on this and a window pops up. So just click on the chart and right click and set as default. I'll close this, I'll delete this chart, and now if I insert a chart by using Alt F1, it'll give me a line chart because that's the default one. I don't need a line chart, so I'll delete it. I'll again insert a bar chart here. So that's how you insert a chart. There are multiple chart designs which you can use. You can use a line graph as well, like this, line with markers, and there are multiple more you can explore. So that's how you insert a chart in a worksheet. So once you have a chart inserted, you can adjust multiple elements in a chart. So if I click on the chart, you will get this plus options, plus here. So if you click on it, you can add multiple elements in a chart or delete it. For example, I don't want the grid lines, so I'll remove it. I'll uncheck this grid lines. I want data labels, so I'll put a tick here. So you can adjust the data labels where you want. You want it in the center, inside end, base, outside, or other options. I want it in the outside end, so I'll click on here. I'll click here. Then I don't want this axis, so I'll go on to axis, go to this arrow here, and I'll remove the vertical axis. Sorry, if I remove. So that's how you can adjust multiple elements in a chart. You can also remove the gap width. So I'll click on the series and I'll right click on the series and go to format data series, and I can reduce the gap width. So instead of 219, I'll put in 100 and tap. It'll remove the width. It'll decrease the width in the columns. You can even add a data table at the end if you want. So that's how you can adjust multiple elements in a chart. So we have a chart here and it's reflecting series in a chart, sales in a chart. So we wanted to add how it reflects against the plan of each employee. So I'll add a plan here, hypothetical number. Just copy the formula. So that's a plan, and we wanted to show the plan and the sales in one chart. So simply I can click on the chart and I can drag this range. It'll insert plan here, or there's another option how you can do that. So I'll go to chart, right click, and go to select data. I can insert, add a new legend here. So I'll click on add. Series name will be plan, and series value will be this, and I click OK. So these are two options. You see there are names are not reflecting here, so I'll just click on edit, and access labels are this. Okay, okay. So that's how you insert a series in a chart. You can even delete it in a similar way. I'll go to select data, I'll click on plan, I can do remove. Okay, that will remove. I can even change the series if I want the plan to show first. So I'll just go to this window, click on plan, click on this arrow. It will show the plan first and then the actual. Click OK. That's how you can add or delete a series in a chart. So once a chart is inserted, you can add multiple combinations to these charts. For example, my boss says, so I don't want the plan to reflect here. I want the plan to reflect on top like this, like a marker or something. So we can even do that. So I'll click on series I want to change. I'll right click, go to change series chart type. This window will pop up. So now we can change any of the series chart type. So I want to change the plan. So I'll select this drop down, and I'll select this line with marker options. I'll click on this and I'll click OK. So it will appear like this. I don't want a line to show, so I'll go to format data series, no line, and I want the marker options to reflect differently. So I'll go to marker options, built-in, and I'll select this line option. I'll increase the size here. That's it, and I'll close this. So I can see there are two data labels reflecting here. I don't want so these are not appearing as good. So I'll click on this data label, which is for the bars. I'll right click format data label, and I'll do it in inside base. I'll change the color to white, bold, and for this I want it to appear above. So I'll click on these data labels and click above. I want a chart title, so go to chart title. Title of this chart is sales actual versus plan. So that's how you can insert multiple combinations of chart type in one chart. So if you like the elements of this video and you have learned something new, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.